Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to import documents into the system. And in this case, I will show you using the supplier invoices as an example. You can do it with all the other documents, and I'll show you the list of the documents that you can use. To start, we go to Quick Menu and Getting Started. And then we click on the two arrows of the Import Lists and Documents. And now we need to select what do we want to import. And as you can see, these are all the things that we can import. You have journal entries, invoices, credit notes, debit notes, and so on. So in this case, I will use supplier invoices and accounts. Why have I chosen this one? Because in my supplier invoices, I have an AP account that I want to select, which is our supplier control account. That's why I'm using my supplier invoices with account in bracket. And then I'll say yes. Then I will just indicate that my file has a header by clicking on this checkbox. And I will select my file. And as you can see, it also has to be in a CSV format. So I'll choose File to Import and select my file. And now the mapping window will pop up. And all we have to do is indicate in which attribute in the system are the certain columns in our file. So I will click there, the first one, that's the number. The second one, that's document date. Third one is our company, which is our supplier. Then we have the delivery date. Then we have the reference number of our invoices, our currency, the AP account, which I will also indicate as a default account, the due date, the location. And now let's have a look at our actual items that we're going to use. All right, we have here our terms, whether price includes VAT or not. We can select, and we need to use true or false. Line item code, our description, the cost. There you go. The quantity. Where is my quantity? And that's basically it for my file. If you have more things, you can enter more information. But for now, that's it, and I'll save and close. You can always go back to that mapping window by clicking on Show CSV and Mapping. All right, now what is very important is that we have the correct date format. So let's open up the file. And as we can see here, we have 18th of January 2018, meaning that that's the date separated by a full stop, the month, a full stop again, and then the year. So we need to indicate that as well over here. And in my case, I have date, full stop, month, full stop, year. If you have slashes or hyphens, then you have to indicate it with slashes or hyphens. So I will select that. If you don't have any slashes or any separator, you can just manually erase it. There's no problem, and then just click somewhere away. But in my case, I have full stops. So there you go. Then we will have a look at the required column. Here is what is required by the system to be filled in. If this information is not filled in, the system will give you an error when posting the document. Then we have a key field. This is what will identify our invoices from the 1,000 invoices that we have. So this is what should be unique for our invoices. Then we have the do not import column, meaning that if you do not want to import anything from the file, then you can just select do not import. The column number, that's the column number that has been matched to the following attributes here in the system. Then let's have a look at default value. And as I said when I was mapping, I will indicate it again, which is the AP account. I will indicate as the default value. I will just click on it once and go and select my default value as the supplier control account because that's where I want all the money that I owe to my suppliers to be controlled in. All right. Then if you have any more information, you can add it over here. And for the last part, I am going to now select if I want the system to post the invoices. If I do want, then I will say true. If I don't want it to post the invoices, just save as draft, I will say false. In this case, let's just say false and make it save as a draft. All right, there you go. And now everything is ready and I can click on prepare data. Here I can see all my information. I can see if everything is correct, which seems correct for me. And then here I can see I have my header in red, meaning it was not imported. Then I'll click on check data just to make sure my information is correct. Okay, we can see that none failed. All of them were successful. And we go back to preview and import data. And that's it. Everything has been imported and I can check my results here. I clicked on it and now I can see my invoices that has been saved. It was 452 and 453. There you go, saved as a draft. If I want, I can open it up and add or edit information. So that's it for today. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.